Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into crypto arbitrage, a strategy that could help you make serious money, like $100,000 in 24 hours if you know what you're doing. Now, I'm not promising you'll hit that exact number. Results depend on market conditions, your capital, and execution, but I'm going to break down how arbitrage works, why it's powerful, and how you can get started. Let's jump in. First, what is crypto arbitrage? It's the process of buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is low and selling it on another exchange where the price is higher, pocketing the difference. Sounds simple, right? But there's a catch. Prices move fast and you need to act faster. Here's how it works. Crypto prices vary across exchanges because of differences in supply, demand, and liquidity. For example, Bitcoin might be trading at $60,000 on exchange A but $6,200 on exchange B. If you buy 10 Bitcoin on exchange A for $600,000 and sell them on exchange B for $602,000, you've made $2,000 in profit minus fees. Scale that up with bigger trades, and you can see how profits add up. Now, to hit something like $100,000 in 24 hours, you'd need significant capital, think millions, because arbitrage profits are usually small percentages per trade, like 0.1% to 2%. For example, with $5 million in capital and a 2% profit per trade, you'd make $100,000 in one trade. But don't worry if you're starting smaller. Arbitrage works at any scale. There are three main types of arbitrage to know about. First, spatial arbitrage. This is what we just talked about, buying on one exchange and selling on another. Second, triangular arbitrage. This happens within a single exchange, where you trade between three cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ethereum to USDT, and USDT back to Bitcoin, exploiting price gaps. Third, statistical arbitrage. This uses bots and algorithms to spot patterns across multiple markets. It's more complex, but can be highly profitable. So, how do you actually do this? Step 1, research exchanges. You'll need accounts on multiple platforms like Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, or KuCoin. Check their fees, liquidity, and withdrawal speeds because timing is everything. Step 2, get your funds ready. You'll need capital on both exchanges to act instantly when you spot a price difference. Step 3, use tools. Manual arbitrage is tough because prices change in seconds. Tools like arbitrage bots or scanners, think Coinigy or Crypto Triad, can help you spot opportunities in real time. Here's a pro tip. Focus on low-cap altcoins or stable coins for bigger price spreads, but be cautious. Low liquidity can make it harder to execute trades. Also, always factor in fees. Trading fees, withdrawal fees, and network fees can eat into your profits if you're not careful. Now, let's talk risks. Arbitrage isn't a guaranteed win. Prices can change before your trade completes, leaving you with a loss. Transfers between exchanges can take time, especially with slow blockchains. And don't forget about taxes. Crypto profits are taxable in most countries, so keep records. Lastly, beware of scams. Stick to reputable exchanges and avoid sketchy platforms promising huge spreads. If you're serious about scaling up, consider automating with a bot. You can code your own if you're tech-savvy or buy pre-built ones. Do race your homework. Some bots are scams. Start small, test your strategy, and scale as you gain confidence. That's the blueprint for crypto arbitrage. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right tools, capital, and timing, you can make serious profits. Drop a comment if you've tried arbitrage or have questions, and hit that like and subscribe button for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.